Cleanliness is the most basic demand of people. And standard cleaning will be finally presented only after hundreds of trying with the professional tools. Traditional cleaning is a human burden. Brand new cleaning model is forged while technology is injected. A1H cleaning robot, easy to operate without any limitation of ages. Integrating 5 futuristic tags, it achieves 3D multi-scene cleaning. The end tool uses a high-speed motor. The brush head could realize 360-degree speed-up rotation during cleaning. The complex cleaning process is unchangeable for the robot, so it can always maintain high standards and strict requirements. The force control system allows the robot to clean up to every detail while taking into account the maintenance of equipment. Technology gives robots the ability to learn independently and adapt quickly to different working environments as well. Technology creates a cleaner environment, reflecting not only the upgraded service for guests, but also the care to cleaning staff. The 3D cleaning robot cleans the whole space, not just the ground, and it makes the cleaning more relaxed, more efficient.